Hey everybody, Nick from Rich and Sons here. Got something really special to talk about today. This is a Cougar Hero Edition camper. Uh, Obviously, as you can see, it's got a great paint scheme on it. It's actually a matte style paint. Um, they've got these awesome green accent lights that really make it stand out at any campground that you go to. There's not a lot of them out there yet, so it's definitely something worth looking into. Plus, um, the, for a special cause, also they donate $1,000. Cougars does for every time someone buys one of these to the Wounded Warrior Project. So if you've heard of that, it's uh, a great thing that these people do that help people out that have served and have gotten injured. So definitely a win-win all the way around. So great looking camper and for a great cause also. So this is the 316 Cougar. So it is a rear living setup. Um, but with this Hero Edition, I mean, Cougar wise, yes, the layout's gonna be the same as the regular 316, but as you can see, the great accent lights, you got the great branding on the side there also. And this has frameless windows on it also that make it just look really clean and sleek. Um, you're gonna have analog brakes on this thing. And as we go inside, you're gonna see all the great stuff inside also. So follow me on in here. All right, now that we're inside of this awesome 316 RLS Cougar, as you can see, rear living setup, tons of space. You got blackout shades, you've got theater seating, you've got a couch that'll pull out so you can sleep a couple extra people that come along. And this awesome new feature that Cougar has done in most of their models is this little hidden storage back here. So just pop this open, and you've got tons of pantry space or anything else that you don't necessarily want outside in the camper while everyone's hanging out. You can throw back in there. There's even a spot to hang a couple coats up in there too. So um, great kitchen island here, stainless steel sink. So all those hot pans and everything that you get, you can throw those in there and not have to worry about melting that sink up, which it does happen when you get those plastic sinks. So that's a great feature to have. You got windows even on the kitchen side, so you're still going to be able to see out the camper there. Great double door refrigerator. Well, freezer on one side, fridge on the other. Sorry, but tons of space in there. Good sized pantry that lights up when you open it up too. So basically everything you'd want in a rear living camper. We'll walk up in here into the bathroom area. As we come up here inside the bathroom, you've got tons of counter space with his and her sinks. And then you've got a large walk-in shower also. So just makes it real simple to get ready in the morning, even if both of you are trying to. So bedroom-wise, of course, large bedroom. You've got king-size bed. You've got a nice dresser here with some hidden storage here also. So any, belongings that you don't want people to necessarily know, you can set right in there. And still pretty easy access there also. You're going to have your big closet here that if you want to do a washer and dryer, you can, great. If not, you got a ton of extra storage. And then, of course, closet area here also. And I just like to point out the lighting in here is awesome. It just goes along the where you hang your clothes up, and it just looks nice, and it brightens it up awesome in there. So all right, so that was the Hero Edition Cougar 316 RLS. So if you want to come check this out or need some more information, just let me know. Again, my name is Nick. We've got this in our showroom, so it's going to be out of the cold. So definitely stop by and take a look. So we'll see you soon, guys.